What's up guys, Will here, back again for another video. Today I'll be showing you my journey to get Plague Diamond Camo for the shotguns in Call of Duty Cold War. I'll also be giving you guys a few tips on how to get these camos for yourself. Alright, let's get into the video. So I got these camos on D Machine and Firebase Z maps. And on both maps there's a specific spot that you need to go to make getting these camos much more easier. For D Machine, this spot right here in the corner, under the Pack-a-Punch. And for Firebase Z, the spot right here in front of this doorway. Now in these clips I will show you soon, you see me on a box. This is the box strat, and it used to work, but it got patched. Now these are the spots that you want to go to for just general use. But there is also some specific challenges that you need to complete besides just regular kills. Of course, there's just some challenges that you complete by just playing. But then there are two that you need to focus on, the Pack-a-Punch and critical kills. Now whenever I gold a gun, it's usually maxed out, or I at least can get all the camos. And every camo besides the first three are super easy to get. Those are the camos that you can just get by playing. But the first three are sort of tough. I'm going to rank them in order of easiest to hardest. First is regular kills, and of course you just get this by grinding. Second is Pack-a-Punch kills, which once again, you grind, but this time you do it with a weapon you Pack-a-Punched. The third one is critical kills. Now I have a tough time with these. My best advice is to aim for the head and to use Deadshot. That'll help you get through these challenges easily. Also, you should do these challenges in the solo mode, or if you're doing it with a friend, private mode. This is because if you do it with randoms, they'll take all your kills. And also, randoms just suck. They can be pretty annoying. Often, or they can be correct at the game. Most of the time, they're just annoying. My final piece of advice is don't die. It sounds stupid and straightforward, but trust me, you'll save a lot of time if you don't die a ton. Alright, on to me getting the camos. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, have a great day. I'm Will, I'm out. See you guys.